Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get the transfer pin from Cox Mobile. Now, to do this, basically you need to call Cox Mobile and explain it to their customer service that you need your transfer pin to port your number to another carrier, and they will assist you with that, okay? So this is, for example, one of their numbers. You can go ahead and call them. And you can also check your billing statement. So your 4-digit Cox PIN is usually printed on page 1 of your monthly billing statement, just below your account number. And you may also be able to find your transfer PIN or instructions on how to obtain it within your online Cox Mobile account. And if you cannot find that PIN, or if you are having a difficulty accessing it, of course, just go ahead and contact Cox Mobile customer support for assistance. They will go ahead and try verifying you and make sure that you are authorized. Make sure that you know the account holder's name, the exact phone number, right? Or maybe your phone's IMEI number. And then once they have verified you, they'll provide you with your transfer PIN. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.